And we're in front of an amazing Vanturer based on the main, let's say, Volkswagen Crafter 600D Tge 3.180. Let's get the actual specs. Starting price for 83,490. And let's go to the technical data. That's actually an 5.99 van. With the total price of this model is 104,980 euro price. Let's get inside. And we have double sitting position. Actually, this looks like you can fold out. Yep, get more space for the sitting area. Nice if you are taller and a wider sitting position. On this part, we have a big bin storage area. Actually, there isn't any bed here. And then big cabin space right there. Automatic transmission from the main Volkswagen Crafter, rebranded. And from this side, automatic 2-burner stove, sink. Big long cabinets from this side. Yep, looks pretty nice. Bathroom, lot of cabinets, sink, cassette toilet. Nothing else, but it's actually a pretty reasonable size. And yes, let's go down and turn these seats back. I will leave them like that so other people can do like that. We have a mounted pneumatic fridge on this part so you can actually use it either ways. This is a higher roof version, and getting on the back side of this Vanturer, we shall be opening. Yep. So we can check actual bed size. Why not? We are here to film. Let's open the bed size and actually check the dimensions straight from my laser pointer. 1.270 from this side and 1.446 from that side. And from the widest part, we have an 1.893. Not the widest, but it should be good. Then we have a gutter space from the lower part, 1.224, and from this side, actual garage is 1.6, just this part here. And this would be actually the part where there's a water filling and some cabinets. Let's have a look another time from the outside. Oh, this is Vanturer Man Tge 3.180 600D camper van.